Hey everybody, in today's video we wanted to take a look at the Ucs Manager, the User Coordinate System Manager. You'll find this on the right side of your screen if you're using the After Dark layout. It may be on the left side of the screen if you're using one of the other user profiles. Now by default, BobCAD comes with three standard user coordinate systems, top, front, and side, and these allow you to draw on different coordinate systems of your part. Now you do have the ability to create additional coordinate systems or user coordinate systems. You can right click, add a new UCS. There's a number of different methods in which you can use to generate a UCS. One of the options would be to pick a planar face. You can pick a face on your part, and then now you've created a coordinate system on the face of the part. From there you can either draw, you could use this as an index location or even a machine setup location.